You're watching CKWS News at Noon on Global Kingston.
Wishing you a fantastic Monday afternoon in a span of 4 or 5 days. A little bit of everything. We're talking about sunshine. We're talking about temperatures well above average, well below average, and we're talking about significant snowfall. -4, -5 for the expected high for Kingston today. Average high this time of year is around -3. Enjoy some sunshine. We'll slip to -10 late evening. With our futurecast images, we see a little bit of sunshine on the way for tomorrow. Mostly cloudy to begin the day, and then by Wednesday, we're dealing with some flurries, transitioning to rain as those temperatures start to rise. But this is a rather large system that we'll be dealing with significant amounts on Thursday, up to 20 centimeters. For Belleville, good morning to you. -3 is your expected high today with some sunny periods, +1 tomorrow. The morning, -14 with that wind chill, and then Wednesday, a rain snow mix getting to +2. Yeah, well above average. Brockville, -4 today, dealt with a couple of centimeters of flurries. +2 tomorrow with a mix of sun and clouds. A wind chill for you tomorrow morning, -21, and then 4 degrees on Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday is going to be very mild, and again, transitioning from flurries to some rain as those temperatures rise above zero, and then flurries overnight into Thursday, and the bulk of that system is going to be Thursday. Smiths Falls, -7 today, -1 on Tuesday, +2 on Wednesday. Wind chill value for you tomorrow morning, -22. For Kingston, we'll get to -4 today. We'll see some sunshine, and 0 for Tuesday. A wind chill for us, -18 in the morning, +2 on Wednesday, -4 on Thursday, and all eyes on Thursday as we could be seeing, again, around 20 centimeters of snow. And then Friday, more flurries and a cold high of -12 at this point, the coldest day of the week.
Yeah, some real nasty weather out of the prairies coming our way. In fact, this clipper is picking up a little energy from another low, and it's when it gets to us, it's going to bring a wall of snow. We'll take a look at that in just a moment. -3 in Kingston, which is seasonal for a change. It's not above, it's not normal, it's right where it should be. Everybody else pretty much in the seasonal range, maybe a bit milder in Toronto with -1, but a -2 between Oshawa and Belleville, a little cooler, as cool as -6 in the nation's capital today. So fairly calm right now. The winds aren't doing much. As it clears, it calms down. About 86% relative humidity, though. So a lot of moisture in the air right now compared to the way it was yesterday. We had a very dry air mass. A couple centimeters of snow over the last 24 hours. A little light dusting here and there, intermittent flurries. But the real snow is coming. We may have to contend with some mixed precipitation to start as it moves in. Remember, those daytime highs on Wednesday are going to be 2 or 3 degrees above freezing. And so as these warm fronts see to that, this frontal boundary, as it moves through, a clipper sort of joined by a few more lows, becomes a little more organized as it heads northeast, and we get this real big cold front coming through. And as it moves through, it's going to bring us a significant snowfall. But just as it's getting started, we start on the warm sector of the storm, eventually get to the cold sector. So you're going to see some mixed precipitation to start off. So here's where we sit now. Some clearing, a decent day tomorrow. You may get some clouds in the afternoon thanks to that warm front, but it isn't until the cold front gets to us. And in the overnight, we'll start into Thursday, you'll start to see some snow as well. So from, so look at this is the wall of snow we were talking about earlier. So yeah, thanks to Lake Ontario, it's a little milder, that body of water. And so for those communities along the north shores of Lake Ontario, even further inland too, for the first few hours of this system, it could be mixed precipitation. But as you can see, there's a whole lot of snowing behind it. And this is good. This could last for a couple days. So tomorrow, enjoy that sunshine, mix of sun and cloud through the afternoon, Belleville. But then, yeah, we see things turn around. Mixed precipitation. It will be a wet snow mixed with rain occasionally. But you know when you get that transition, ice pellets, freezing rain, it's all possible. Thursday, -3, not a +3. So as it continues, it is snow. Some of us may see that linger into Friday morning, too. Brockville, 2 degrees tomorrow for a high, and southerly winds gusting at about 40. Enjoy the mix of sun and cloud because you get into your messy mix on Wednesday, too, with a +4. Thursday, it's -2 for a high and periods of snow. Smiths Falls, a mix of sun and cloud for you as well tomorrow, but snow Wednesday, a wet snow, +2, and then Thursday, -4 for a high, 80% chance still of some snow. I think the heaviest will be Wednesday night to Thursday morning is when we really get into that thick snowfall. Kingston, your 5-day forecast. Tuesday brings you a mix of sun and cloud with a high -1. Southerly winds gusting up to 50 at times. So, yeah, we'll see some strong winds later, too, as the system pushes through. For Wednesday, it's mixed precipitation as we hit a high of 2. Up to a seasonal -3 Thursday as it continues as snow. And still on Friday, a good 70% chance of flurries or light snow, but cooler, a high -12. Only -11 for a high Saturday as it starts to clear, a mix of sun and cloud expected. Now your weather wallpaper.
This weather wallpaper is brought to you by Pam's Flower Garden. Flowers and tropical plants by Pam's since 1962 with same-day delivery.
Ben Kelly of Amherstview sent this photo in, thought it was absolutely gorgeous. This is a night in Frontenac Provincial Park. They call this hot tenting. You do it in the winter, and you know, it's like a -22, he said, on the outside of the tent, but on the inside, they were practically down to their underwear. They were very comfy and cozy in there.
Really?
So, yeah. So they had.
What's going on in that hot tent?
Well, I don't want to get into the details. He did not disclose that, Bill. And I think there might be a privacy issue there. But
yes.
They did say something about underwear. So,
okay.
But a great pick. What a wonderful, look at that little tiny pocket of heat and all that cold.
Yes.
Great photo, Ben. Thanks for sending it along. If you've got pictures to share with us, do like Ben did. Send them to us at submissions@ckwstv.com.
Yeah, that is a lovely picture, Bill. So the weather is going to be making the news later this week. So it could be a 2-3 day
but a 3-day event, yeah.
3-day event. Any idea of accumulation, what we're talking about? Because as you know, a few weeks ago we had that 42 centimeter all in one short span.
In one day, yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised to see 20 to 30 centimeters of snow. You got to remember that this is starting off as a wet mix. And until that transition takes place, we don't really have a very good idea of how much snow accumulation there will be. We'll probably have more details for you as it progresses.
Okay. In the meantime, batten down the hot tent and everything else that's coming this way.
Get some clothes on, too.
Okay. We will find out your 7-day forecast a little bit later. Thanks, Bill. In the long-range forecast.
You bet. What a way to start February as we see temperatures come up a little bit today and even higher on Wednesday. We get into some mixed precipitation. Enjoy that mix of sun and cloud tomorrow and above normal -1. It gets a little messy Wednesday on Groundhog Day as we see it rise to +2. It's wet snow mixed with showers. As things cool off, though, Thursday, it's just snow. And Friday, well, still a 70% probability of snow by the same Alberta Clipper. Saturday, it's a mix of sun and cloud, a bit cooler, -11, -5 over Sunday and Monday, as the chance of flurries or light snow returns at the beginning of your work week.
All right, thanks, guys. It is time to check the results of our weekly web poll at globalnews.ca/Kingston. Last time.
You're watching CKWS News at 11 on Global Kingston.
So a clipper out of the prairies bringing all kinds of blizzard conditions currently to Manitoba. It's just screaming across the prairies right now. It's coming our way. A few depressions sort of developing along the leading edge of this cold front, but it all becomes a little more organized as it heads northeast, and that's when we get hammered by it. We're going to share a little bit of both the warm sector and the cold sector of this system. So when I say warm sector, I don't mean real balmy, but it could get 2-3 degrees above freezing, and as it does, this snow could turn to shower activity at times, and when you get that transition, you get the mix. So you could get the freezing rain and the ice pellets, all that nasty stuff. But it very quickly, as the cold front moves through, turns cold, and by Thursday it won't be mixed, it'll be snow. So you'll have a +3 Wednesday, but a -3 for daytime high on Thursday, and it'll turn to snow. The snow may not end there either. We may see it trickle into your into your Friday as well in the morning. Anyway, Belleville, it's a nice day tomorrow, so enjoy it. The mess gets to you Wednesday. That probability of precipitation's on a gradient Wednesday, so the higher probability later in the day. Brockville, you've got a decent day tomorrow too. Southerly winds gusting up to 40. Mixed precipitation Wednesday and snow on Thursday. And in Smiths Falls, a good day for you tomorrow. And then we see a mild one Wednesday with wet snow. Thursday, it's -4, and yeah, you're looking at snow still. Kingston, your long-range forecast. Well, the 1st of February tomorrow with a high -1, a mix of sun and cloud. A nice way to kick off the month, but Groundhog Day brings a whole other mess. Mixed precipitation and a high of 2 Celsius. Thursday looks like snow as it gets a little cooler. Even cooler Friday as the snow tapers off. Saturday, Sunday, a mix of sun and cloud. A cool one Saturday, improving Sunday with a high -5, up to -5 again Monday with a bit of snow.